Hello people of the internet, welcome to Watch Dogs. Today, this is my first video, please do enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll enjoy. Oh Jesus. If the quality's bad, don't moan about it, it's not my fault, it's because I'm recording this on a tablet. Oh, look, a train. Hello, train. Dare you run away from me? You can't now, can you? I'm watching this being recorded, so I know what you're basically seeing. I don't know, it depends what device you're using to watch this video. Shut up. The train just went past, so stop being annoying. Owns multiple pets. You have fleas. Die. Get wrecked. You look like a Smurf. Oh, what am I saying? I look like a snowflake, for God's sake. I'm gonna order a car. No, keep getting the buttons. I'm playing too much of other games. Oh, by the way, after I'm gonna do three videos each for each game I play. Depends if you like it or not. I will do more videos. Okay, this car looks pink on my screen, but on obviously what you're watching it's red-ish. But it's pink on my screen. Move! Morons. Wait, someone invaded me. No, I swear. No. Whee! Oh God! Criminal convoy? No. I'm a criminal. My name's Jeff. You wrecked my car, you pleb! Get out the car. You don't deserve to have a blue truck. You don't have to live. Wait, what do you do as an occupation? Game hunter. How dare you! That's racist to games. Stupid woman. I don't like this car. I like your car. Thanks. Bye. Take no cars. I've literally nothing to do on Watch Dogs, but I want that car. I'm joking. I have multiple cars. I don't want to just go with a Lamborghini. Yeah, bet receiver, I'll kill you. Jesus. Any day now. Sorry, you have to wait. I don't know how to edit stuff. I think that's... If someone could leave a oh, thanks! Loser. Yeah, if someone could leave a comment in the description how to edit, that would really help me out. Ooh, thanks. Lamborghini. I prefer this to the other one. I don't know what you prefer. Right, I can drive really normally. On this video I'm just going to be messing around. I'll do online tailing next video and stuff. Correct. I'm on a train track. Oh God! Thank you, tree. Nice tree. I like trees. Stupid bridge. Yay! We all love the water. Tramps. Now I look like a freaking dog who went in a bath. Anyway. Climb up. Oh my God! You see, you can't climb up that. You're. Give me a boat. I need a boat. This game hates me. Oh God. Let's have a look what we can do. Ooh. No. By the way, if you haven't got this game, I do recommend it. It's a good game. It can be funny, but it can be boring at sometimes. You can eventually get bored of stuff, and it's like right now I'm kind of bored, so that's why I'm doing this video. I have nothing to. Oh, is that a train? Train! Oh, you couldn't run away. Oh no! I know. That's such a shame. Oh my god. McDonald's. Yes. I'm going there. Move! Why are you driving on the street? You're supposed to be driving on the pavement, you moron. Jokes for days. Thanks. No, I'm lucky. Wait, what's she saying?
Right. Message. Are you having a second thought? I'm not gonna say that, sorry.
I want to message a proper dump. Ooh, camera. Look how fabulous I am. Ten out of 10. Amazing. Guess what? I look even more fabulous in this rubbish car. I'm in my mum's car. Broom broom. Oh, I love this song. I don't know if you hear that. I don't know if that's copyright. If anything, I might actually turn it off. Shut. Look, don't listen. Shush. Thank you. I'm in my mum's car. Brum brum. You want a bib at me? I'll give you a bib. You don't want that? Night night.
Fatality.
Thank you. Bye. That's a scary song. I don't like. Day by day. No, day and night. Steam point. Oh my god. It's a pile of farts. Yeah. Yeah. I gotta stand there. I'm amazing. Look, I hereby stand. I'm awesome.
Oh no!
Wow. I got killed by farts. Right, I'm gonna end the video off here. Please do leave a like and subscribe. Bye!